So just picked up this investment property out here in Pleasant Grove. Even in the snow, everything must go. We're gonna take y'all in, show you why I bought this. So first of all, I'm gonna get rid of these burglar bars. I'm gonna fix this pole right here. Make it look real nice. Change this eave up top. It's gonna look real jazzy. Let's go on in. We don't have any light, so let me turn on some light real quick and show you what we got going on in here. All right. Now as you step on in, we're gonna look right here at the floor. Looks real good in here, real nice. The walls, no holes in them. Everything looks real good in here. I'm gonna change out this front door. The foundation feels real level too. Change this door. As we walk in here, we go inside the kitchen area. So I'm gonna refinish these cabinets, put some new pulls on them, put a backsplash back here, change this top to granite, take this mirror out. Never really seen a mirror in the kitchen. Change these cabinets, change this back door. This has gotta go. Put some blinds up, put a new vent hood up. I'm gonna make it real nice in here, real nice. So as I come in here, I'm gonna put an accordion door right here on this wash area. I see a hot water heater, don't have a pan up under, so I put one of those. This is the wash and dry area. Everything looks real nice. Come right here to bedroom number 1. As we go in here, see they got the purple walls. Everything looks good. Got a closet right here. Oh man, it's pretty big too. Yeah, this is cool. Obviously paint, make it look real nice in here. Change the flooring, put some new carpet in here. Change this, whatever this is. I don't know what this is, so we'll get that out here. Maybe they got a hole behind there or something. Let me check in here. Hot water heater. No, closet. Oh, I just saw the hot water heater. I'm tripping. Closet looks nice. Cool. Come out of there. Bathroom number 1 and only. Obviously, first and foremost, gonna change out the towel. Fix all this crack behind the shower. Change this vanity out. Change these lighting fixtures. We're gonna make it look real nice, real cool. VIP lounge, room number 2. So it's real nice. I'm walking this foundation. It feels real good. Everything feels real good. It's a nice little investment property, man. It's cool. Picked it up. I like it. Gonna owner finance it. Come through here. Let's go out to the VIP lounge. Right. And that's it. Oh, let me take you out to the back. Got bars, that's cool. I'm not gonna go down them steps, but we're gonna change this fence area over here and put a cage over the AC unit. Everything looks nice though. It's real cool. Thank you.